Smart app controlled. Our app lets you adjust brightness and volume on the fly. It even lets you customize the audio channel of each bulb for stereo sound in your living spaces. Whole home audio. 13 watt, at 8 ohms, loudspeakers perform as left-right stereo pair, play music and adjust lighting in every room. Pulse link system lets you add and control up to 7 bulbs for whole home audio. Bulbs work up to 100 feet apart. Amplify your sound. With the Pulse Link starter kit, you can connect the link to your TV, via the included 3.5mm auxiliary cable, or your mobile device, via Bluetooth, and enjoy surround sound through the included pulse bulbs. Easy setup. No wires, no remote control, no power adapter. Install into standard E26 light sockets or fixtures, download the iOS Android app and set up. Energy efficient. App-controlled LED light bulbs rated to last 25,000 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Great speaker system to solve my home office sound issues. I was looking for a speak system that I could use in my home office as I have the television on so that I know what is going on in the world as I am working hard throughout the day. The system arrived very quickly from Sengled. It was easy to understand when I opened the box and reviewed the setup instructions on the item. The ease of use of the item and the ability to be able to use my iPhone with this product was just such an added bonus of the purchase. The ability to be able to add more speakers throughout my house will also help in some rooms that I do not have any sound system in or speakers for the stern that I have in my main room. I have looked at other items on the market and this by far is one of the better buys that I have found out there. I had a question and called the 800 number and they were great assist to me.